I have an exciting announcement. So many of you have told me that you want to do professional photography more, or you want to make more money, or you want to do it full time. Of course, it made me think of my friend Sam, who went from shoot and burn photography and not making enough money to be a photographer full time to being a full-time photographer doing IPS and making over $1,000 per shoot. So we teamed up with her and we teach you how to save thousands on gear, how to make over $1,000 per shoot, how to build a stunning portfolio and bring clients in, how to shoot and edit efficiently so that you're delivering a good product, but also using your time in a way where you can make enough money to do this as your full-time job, and also how to wow your clients with in-person sales. Sam does an in-person sales session with us, and she shows you how to sell to your clients so that people don't just look at your photos and do the session fee and walk away. And here you are with a bunch of lost time. People will buy your pictures, and you can do this full time. We also know that so many of you struggle with the business part of photography, so we wanted to make that easier for you too.
This package includes more than 10 hours of brand new video and a lot of supplemental video, sample client contracts that'll save you time and money going back and forth with a lawyer, checklists for shooting your portraits, building a portfolio, and for your post-processing to make sure you never forget anything, a private support group that you can use to communicate with us and other people who are going pro, and a photo and review and live Q&A with Chelsea, Sam, and I, where we will answer your questions and give you personalized feedback. Of course, just like everything we sell, it comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not happy, we give you your money back. That's all there is to it. If you're ready to check it out, head to sdp.io/proportrait, where you can read all about it. Thanks so much for supporting us.
And thank you to so many of you. Some of you got an early copy of this, and you were generous enough to give us your feedback. We learned from it. We included more materials. We improved it even more. So it's not just me and Tony and Sam making this. It's also you. Thank you so much. And please check it out and tell us what you think. Thanks.